in the sky, so fluffy and proud, floated a cheerful little cloud. "Let's go explore," the cloud said with glee. "There's so much weather to learn and see." Little cloud, big adventure, high above the trees, drifting through the weather, riding every breeze. Raindrops, sunshine, wind that spins, snowflakes swirling, let's begin. First came rain, with a pitter-pat-pat, splashing the rooftops. Imagine that. "I water the flowers, fill rivers too," said rain with a smile. "That's what I do." Then came snow, so quiet and white, dancing like feathers in morning light. "I blanket the world in winter fun, making sled rides for everyone." Little cloud, big adventure, floating through the day, learning how the weather works in every little way. Raindrops, sunshine, wind that spins, snowflakes swirling, let's begin. Next came wind, with a swoosh and a song. "Hold on tight, you'll glide along." "I shake the trees and fly the kites, spin the pinwheels, lift the heights." Then came the sun, with a golden grin, time for warmth to roll right in. "I light up the skies and help things grow, from mountain tops to seeds below." Little cloud sighed, "I've learned so much." Raindrops, snowflakes, sunshine's touch, windy washes, sunny skies, the weather world's a big surprise. Little cloud, big adventure, what a wondrous flight, gliding through the weather world from morning until night. Now I know the rain, the snow, the sun, and breezy air, and I'll share my weather stories everywhere. So if you see a cloud up high, waving from the morning sky, it might be me, your weather guide, on a big adventure far and wide.